In this video, I'll show you how to check your token usage in Claude AI. So normal Claude chat users usually don't see exact token counts directly like the API users do. So you mainly check token usage through Claude API console or usage dashboards in Anthropic developer settings. So basically, you can go and open a new tab and type Anthropic console as example, click on the first link and make sure to log in into your account. Make sure to log into the same accounts that you're using in Claude AI. So let me just go and do that. And I should be logged in into my account right now without any problems. So here we are. Let me finish that setup and come back. And yeah, all I needed to do is just choose individual or company, choose individual, and that was it. So as you can see right here, so the first thing that you may notice here on the left panel, as you can see, is this credit. Here, you'll find how much credits do you have and where you can add funds as an example by simply clicking on this add funds if you want to add any funds. Also, on this left panel, you have this Claude code. If you go and click on usage, here you'll be able to find the usage normally of your tokens in Claude AI. So, of course, checking token usage in Claude AI depends on whenever you're using the web interface or the API or Claude code. So it might be different. This is only for Claude AI, which is the web version. Also, as you can see, if you want to see the spend figures or estimates, as you can see, so if you want to see the actual cost of something, you can see here where you can find the cost dashboard. Also, on analytics here, so instead of Claude code, on analytics, you will find its usage as well, where you can find the usage of token as well right here. So I'll just give it a moment until it loads correctly. And here, if you use any token, you should find the charts and everything right here. So also you can download your info right here if you want to. And also for this, I guess you can export it. So you can find your data everywhere on the cloud console. Of course, if you don't know where to find it, normally you should be able to click. You may want to go here to your account and hover learn more. And if you find API console here, just click on it and it will take you to the Anthropic console or cloud console right away. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.